Gyproc OneCoat is a gypsum-based, lightweight plaster that's easier to spread and less physically demanding than other systems, leading to improved performance on site. Gyproc OneCoat also provides a high-quality, durable finish with a single application while improving the quality of indoor air by removing formaldehyde from the air. Applied at a minimum depth of 10 mil, it provides a virtually airtight solution to masonry walls. Gyproc OneCoat can be applied using a plaster projection machine as an alternative to mixing and applying by hand. For machine application, Gyproc OneCoat works well with most electrical plaster projection machines. Before plastering commences, surfaces should be dry, clean, and free from loose dust and dirt. It is advisable to brush down the surface to remove any dust or loose pieces and then dampen the surface. Some masonry backgrounds of exceptionally high suction may require pre-treatment with Gyprime to control their suction. Concrete surfaces will require pre-treatment with thistle-bonded bonding agent. Gyproc OneCoat can be pre-mixed for application by hand or by using a plaster projection machine to mix and apply the plaster in one step. Prepare the plaster projection machine chosen for application in line with manufacturer's instructions. Ensure the consistency of the sprayed material is suitable for application before proceeding. Tools and water used in application must be clean before being used. The plaster should be applied in an even manner and can be built out to a depth of 13 mil. If required, Gyproc OneCoat can be built out to a maximum depth of 25 mil. The plaster should be ruled to a reasonable plane, whilst at the same time filling in any hollows. Ensure the material is not overworked on the wall and allow time between rulings for the product to stiffen. When the plaster has stiffened sufficiently, a flexible blade or spatula should be used to achieve a flat surface. The plaster should be allowed to sit and pull in and then sponged down at the required time. When the plaster is sufficiently firm, troweling in should commence, taking care not to over-polish. For indicative timings for the application of Gyproc OneCoat, please visit www.gyproc.ie. Gyproc OneCoat, a high-quality, durable finish in a single application.